Hi, Wasika Intermediate Families. I am presenting on our size of our problem and what should the size of our reaction be. Often we talk to students about there being various sizes of problems, and we use a visual scale of 1 through 5. 1 being it's just a glitch, up to 5, it's an emergency. And we teach this specific skill because we talk about identifying the size of the problem so we know what is an appropriate reaction to that problem. So that's what I'll be going through today. So I also have a presentation on our feelings volcano. We use this visual in relation to the size of problem so that we can determine how we're feeling, because even though it might be a size 2 or 3 problem, I might feel inside like I'm having a size 5 problem. So understanding that I have to tone down my reaction to fit the problem. So, how we describe this to students is we say for a size 1 or 2 problem, it usually only impacts 1 or 2 people. It's usually a quick or clear solution that helps solve the problem. It lasts a very short amount of time, there's no danger involved. And you can usually fix this problem right away. So, an example of a size 1 or 2 problem might be someone cut in line, or a classmate is maybe making noises, or in this case, maybe it's your brother or sister is making a noise when you're trying to do your homework, someone calling you a mean name. That's a size 1 or 2 problem. So we then say, in relation to that size of a problem, your reaction to that problem should just be shrugging your shoulders or maybe frowning, taking a deep breath, just saying to yourself, it's okay, or bummer. At a size 3 problem, it usually impacts just a few people or a small group of people. So at a size 3 problem, we might need to brainstorm or talk about solutions. It might take a medium amount of time to figure out, maybe a few hours. There's still no physical danger at a size 3. So an example of a size 3 problem might be someone steals your phone at school. Maybe there is teasing on the playground, or maybe at home. Um, we used to see this all the time at school. Someone would delete their Minecraft world. So that might be a size 3 medium problem. So a reaction to a size 3 medium problem would be maybe you say, oh no, or you're feeling frustrated, your hands are clenched, your face is squeezed. Maybe you feel like you want to stomp your feet. And then we get to a big problem, like a size 4 or 5 problem. So this impacts many, many people. There's not a quick and easy solution. It might last a long time. It might take a group of people to figure this out, and danger or harm might be involved in a size 4 or 5 problem. So, for example, what we're experiencing right now with the COVID-19 pandemic, this would be a size 4 or 5 problem. A car crash, a bully who is picking on people. So, we know that those size 4 or 5 problems we're going to have a big reaction to. We might be very, very upset. We might have crying. We might be very upset or scared. So, when we think about this, we want to think about how we can match the size of the problem to our reaction. So, I also have a printable of this sheet on the website, that this is something that we can use for practice with our students or your children at home. So if we were in school, I might say, here are some examples, and I want you to think about what is the size of the problem and how would you feel? How would you feel, and what should your reaction be? So for example, your brother takes your Chromebook charger and you can't find it. So I would want the student to identify, is that a size 2 problem? And even though it might feel like in the moment, if I need to get my homework done, it might feel like a size 4 problem. In actuality, it's a size 2 problem. So I need to have a size 2 reaction to it. So, how we can use this with our students is saying, is this a problem that can be solved fairly easily and quickly? Does it only involve 1 or 2 people? Then the size of the reaction should just be, okay, taking a deep breath, thinking about how to solve it. So this problem identification and reaction identification um, exercise is good to do with students, and maybe having a visual so that talking through with your kids about what is the actual size of the problem compared to the reaction. If you ever have any questions, my name is Mrs. Hulsher, the school counselor at Waseca Intermediate School, and my contact information is on the website, but my email is huls@waseca.k12.mn.us. Be well, everybody. Thank you.